welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be talking about lace frontals, the different colors, and like how to know what is best suited for your color. So today I came with the evidence. I came with 3 different types of lace frontals, laces. More so, I'm not really speaking about the density, but more so the lace color and the thinness and the stretch and all of that. So if you'd like to know more, stay watching. Okay, so I'm gonna save the best for last, which is going to be my personal lace frontal, which I will be selling soon. So yeah, so you're gonna have to watch the whole video to get to know about that. First, I'm gonna be starting off with a pretty standard lace frontal. So this lace frontal is considered a light brown, you know, regular lace frontal. I believe that this lace frontal is from BAISI hair. It's gonna be listed here. It is from BAISI hair from ALIEXPRESS. So with this lace frontal, I've actually bleached the knots and lightly plucked it. When you get a lace frontal, how to know if it's good? First of all, you don't want the hairline to be so straight. You want it to kind of have like dips and stuff. Like, you don't really want that Barbie hairline where it's like straight, jagged edges. Also, you want the lace to be stretchy, okay? You want it to have a stretch. This lace frontal, it's not the worst. However, it's not really stretchy. Like, obviously, I'm not saying you want it like, you don't want it to like fall apart at the seams, but you do want it stretchy, because I've noticed the stretchier it is, the thinner it is. You're gonna have to take my word for it, but yeah, this doesn't have that much stretch, and the lace is quite firm. I don't really like that about it. Yeah, like when it's stretchier, the lace isn't as firm, so it's more like manipulable. You probably don't care about this if you're not a hairstylist, but it helps to get a good lace for your install so it will mesh better. Yeah, this lace frontal is a light brown lace. It's best suited for people that are my color, darker than me, like a bit lighter than me. Like if you're not fair, like if you're considered brown skin or whatever, this would be best suited for you. It's not really suited for people that are fair skinned, light skinned, Caucasian. Would not recommend that for you. So I'm just gonna put this against my skin. Of course, it's not an absolute match. Like, you're going to have to tint the lace frontal. However, as I was saying, because the lace is quite firm and it's not the thinnest of laces, it's much more seeable. However, it can be tinted to a shade which will match you. But yeah, that's your pretty standard AliExpress lace. It's okay. So the next lace that I'm going to be talking about is from AliPearl. It is their Swiss transparent lace. So this lace is more recommended for people with a fairer complexion, light skin, Caucasian. As you can already see, if you compare this lace to this lace, you can see that this is has a much more muted color. It's more white than this one. When lace frontals are regarded as transparent, it's not actually transparent. It has like a white tint to it. So I'm gonna put this lace against my skin so you can see it's much more white. If I was of a much lighter complexion, like it would be more seamless. I'm gonna be saying seamless a lot in this video, but yeah, like if you are a dark skin, brown girl, a black girl, whatever, you can still use it, you can tint it. However, it's best suited for you to get a lace that is brown, because the undertones, like, it's easier to work with. Like, you can work with this as well, it's just easier to get a lace that is brown. But back to this one. So this lace, I have bleached the knots and I've tweezed it. It's actually for a client, but anyways, this lace is far more stretchier. That's how I can tell it's much thinner, even by just holding it. It's much thinner. The holes in the lace are much closer together. I know you're probably not going to be able to see this on camera, but honestly, just take my word for it. But this lace is from AliPearl hair. So I actually really like it. Like, it's quite thin lace. Like, I can tell doing an install with this will be amazing. If you are light-skinned, Caucasian, this lace is best suited to you. Like, you can't get a light brown or a dark lace because like you can tint lace darker but you can't make it lighter, so that's that. So the last lace that I'm going to be showing you guys is actually a lace from my hair collection. I say hair collection like there's anything in the collection besides this lace, but yeah, so this lace is called the Illusion HD. I know you've probably been seeing a lot on Instagram of girls selling HD lace or whatever, and I've deeped that a lot of people have been showing the lace like in regards to like a white background, like showing it like on their white walls, and I feel like that's not very helpful, because as a brown girl, black girl, a person of color, that's not very helpful because my skin is not white. I need to see what it looks like against my own skin color, so I'm going to be showing you that now. So as you can see, obviously it's not 100% my color. Okay, so this lace is Swiss lace. Yes, Swiss Illusion HD lace. So this lace is very, very thin. Very, very thin. Like, you can see my face through the lace. It's very, very thin. Of course, you're still going to have to tint it. However, it's much easier to work with this lace rather than a transparent lace or a light brown lace. I love this lace. I'm not saying this because it's from my own hair company. However, like, it's stretchy. It has that stretch that I'm talking about. It's very thin. The density is amazing. It's not too full. I haven't even plucked this lace. I haven't plucked this lace as of yet. This is how it comes. The only thing I have done is I've bleached the knots. But this lace is amazing. It's so thin. I cannot wait to install it and debut it on my channel. So look out for a video on that. But everyone of every complexion can wear this lace. Whereas the other two, one was for like brown girls, dark skinned girls, one was for like fair girls. This lace can be worn by every and anyone. Look, even if I put it on my yellow, see, you can't, I'm not gonna say what lace, like you can always see the lace, but like it's quite transparent. I feel like this lace should be called transparent lace rather than the previous one that I showed, because it's much more like you can see through it. Like, honey. Like, that's pretty amazing. And Swiss lace is of a much higher quality than your regular lace, because the other laces are like French lace. This is Swiss lace. The holes in the lace are much smaller, so that's really good, because you know sometimes when someone's wearing a lace frontal, you can see the holes in it. Like, it's not really that great. But yeah, this paired with a good glue, a good installation, will have you looking seamless. So yeah, so this hair will be for sale very, very soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna try and provide links, but if I can't, just keep checking on my channel, on my socials, for when it will be available. But in terms of ranking the laces that I've shown you today, this #1, of course, you know I was always gonna say this #1, but yeah, hopefully you can see a difference. I'm gonna hold all of them up together. So this is the Swiss lace compared to the standard light brown lace. Hopefully you can see. You see how that is much clearer? If I put this up, this is like, it's not as clear. Like, it's still good, but it's not as, this is like paper thin. Okay, not paper thin, I don't know, wafer thin, whatever, the thinnest thing that you can imagine, that's how thin this is. And then this is standard. But I can't lie, I don't really recommend this company, only because the lace is quite rigid. I don't even know how to like soften the lace, but it's quite hard. This one is much softer. You want soft, flexible lace. When you're looking for good lace, you want soft, flexible, one that is like easily malleable because it will just provide for a much easier installation. So this is the brown lace. Again, let me just put them against my skin. And remember that you're always going to have to tint your lace. Lace is not foundation, it doesn't come in your exact color. But that's the Swiss lace. This is your standard brown lace. I'm just going to be comparing all of the lace to the Swiss lace. And then you have the transparent lace. This is much ashier on my skin tone, as you can see. I feel like even if you tint it, there's still gonna be that ashy element to it. And then this is the Swiss lace, as you can see. Then I'm gonna compare the transparent lace to the brown lace. I also want to put, just to remind that I haven't tinted any of these frontals as of yet. This is the standard regular light brown lace, and this is the Swiss lace. This is the Swiss lace. This is the Swiss lace. You can see how it just meshes into the background, like, honey. And the quality on the hair is amazing. Shameless promo. If I don't promote myself, who's gonna promote me? No one. It's your standard lace. As you can see, it doesn't really melt into the background as well. And it on my skin. And then last we have the transparent lace, which is of a more fairer complexion. And that's the lay. Why am I? And that's the lace for that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope that I've been able to help someone that's been a bit confused by like what lace to buy for their booking, or even hairstylist. Yeah, if anyone has any questions, or they're still a bit confused with the whole lace saga, whole different laces, just drop a comment down below. I'll definitely do my best to help. All of the links of the laces that I've shown you will be in the description box down below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.